Hello everyone, in this video we are going to understand a very simple function in Python, the type function. In this video we are going to understand what is type function, what is the use of type function and how to use the type function. Before moving ahead, we have a lots of tutorials and courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can also explore them. For further updates, stay connected with us. So let's move ahead to understand type function with some examples. So first of all, we will make an object. For that we will make a variable x equals to 10. So we have made an object. So this is our object and we have to check its type. For that we have to use type function. To use the type function we have to just write type and name of the variable in which our object is stored. And we have to print it. So therefore we have to use print. So we have to run the program to check its type. For that we will bring the terminal and run the program. To run the program we have to write Python space name of the file gyanipandit.py. Enter. You can see we have got its type. It is a int type of object. Now we will check with some another data. So we will write here 5.5. Now we have to run the program to check its type. So now you can see it is a float type object. Now we will again execute the program for some another data. So we will make a tuple here, orange, apple and banana. So we have made a tuple here. Now we will check its type. Now you can see it is an object of tuple type. Now let's see one last example. For that we will make a string Gyani Pandit. So we have to check its type. So you can see this is a string. Here we have understood the type function in a very simple way. Type function gives us simply the type of an object. We have a lots of tutorials and courses available for you on Gyani Pandit. You can also explore them. For further updates, stay connected with us.